Hello everyone, this is David from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm just showing off my 2006 Toyota Tundra, and I'm just putting a second coat on it just to show you how it looks. You can see how shiny this truck is. So I just spray it on, and I take a sponge pad to rub it in. You can see it's kind of hazing up. And I'm just working it in on this side of the truck. Headlights, all the plastic, anywhere on the truck. Let it dry for a second, and I'm gonna buff it off. Let you guys see the results here. It gives it a rich, deep shine. It's just incredible. This truck has not looked this good since I had it. And everybody who ever had a black car knows how hard it is to keep a black car clean. It helps to keep it clean. You can see the shine on that. And the best thing about it is water runs off of it like it's afraid to touch it. Thanks again. This is David from Charlotte, North Carolina with my 2006 Toyota Tundra.